Hi, my name is Jason Wynn. I'm the Group Vice President of Modern Risk and Finance Product Strategy and Development for Oracle Financial Services. To everyone who has joined us, whether it's from South Africa, the UAE, Asia, or Australia, I'd like to welcome you to our Transformative Finance Exchange virtual event produced in partnership with Connect Global Group. Our focus today is on driving resiliency in financial services. We've put together an insightful agenda that covers a number of the key themes that you are looking to solve within your industries. We'll cover the following topics as part of our live panel discussions with industry experts. To start with, we'll kick off with optimizing balance sheets, striking a balance between regulation and profitability. Then we'll move on to a new era of financial planning, managing risk, and return in uncertain markets. Following that, we'll talk about managing Basel and beyond amidst regulatory uncertainty, and we'll finish out with dynamically shifting response to IFRS 17, getting the right architecture. In addition to the panel discussions, we also have readily available on-demand solution sessions that can be accessed from the virtual event lobby. Over and above the panels and solution sessions, all event attendees have the ability to speak to Oracle Financial Services sales professionals, as well as the Oracle panelists that you'll hear from today. This includes getting in touch with myself. I'd be more than happy to tell you about what we're investing in from a product perspective in the upcoming future. We're very interested to hear about your challenges and how Oracle can provide our products and services to help you and your business. Before we get too heavily entrenched in today's event, let me provide some background about Oracle Financial Services. You've likely heard about Oracle as a brand, which provides technology products and services across all industries. Oracle Financial Services is a business unit within Oracle that focuses specifically on the financial services industry, primarily in banking and insurance. So why do more than 2,000 financial institutions across 140 countries trust Oracle with their core business operations? Well, I'd put it down to commitment and focus. We have a track record of supporting the industry and investing in new products and services to help banks and insurance companies respond to business change, whether that's driven from external or internal stakeholders. Specifically with regard to risk and finance, Oracle Financial Services has grown up through the GFC and increasing regulatory agenda that followed. We've been providing solutions that support the digital and fintech disruption. And most recently, we're seeing changes that are happening in the industry, including the credit risk provisions being at an all-time high since the credit crisis, the lowest interest rates that we've ever seen, which are squeezing profit margins, regulatory deadlines that are getting pushed out, banks are cutting costs wherever possible, and the digital adoption, which includes the use of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and RPA is increasing faster than ever. So let's pivot and let's look at things from a technology perspective. Technology paradigms have been shifting rapidly throughout our industry. In financial services, we're in the process of moving from a bricks and mortar business to a digital by default business from front to back. We've seen changes in customer channels, but now it's starting to flow all the way through to risk and finance. As part of this move, the explosion of data, analytics, and both cloud and platform-based technologies is changing customer expectations and the way that we as solution providers, like Oracle Financial Services, will provide you products and services into the future. So what's our technology blueprint for better financial services? Well, we provide orchestrated sets of services that allow our customers choice, specifically in regard to the scope of services that they want to implement, with an ability to cost-effectively extend the breadth of their Oracle services into the future. We call this progressive transformation. We continue to invest significantly in research and development to uplift our products and services to provide new innovations in data and analytics. And we're enhancing our solutions to focus on reducing our customers' time to value, what we like to call faster buzz to biz. We're investing in our cloud pathways to give customers the opportunity to choose a deployment and usage pattern that works for them. something we call adoption choice. Our enterprise finance and risk solutions focus on providing an end-to-end view of solving customers' problems in a sustainable manner. Examples of the solutions that we provide are optimization of capital allocation through better balance sheet and risk management, delivery of actionable intelligence to power revenue growth and to counter unforeseen business threats. We do this in a way that supports traceability and transparency of data from ingestion to consumption with inbuilt data and service governance capabilities to allow our customers to confidently manage and extend these functions into the future to align to the ever-changing business environment. Oracle Risk and Finance solutions are used by 20 of the 30 global SIFIs. Our customer base is over 600 banks and insurance companies, and it's growing day by day. We built a unified data model for both banking and insurance that provides a context-specific risk and finance, structured and well-managed data solution. From a functional perspective, the enterprise risk and finance products and services that we provide fall into three main categories. The first being performance management, which includes balance sheet management and treasury functions. We have risk management, which includes a series of regulatory calculations, and customer insights, which provides a view of customer profit and expenses. Our solutions are regarded as best in category by analysts, and we're continually motivated to improve our products. Our method of continuing to provide industry-leading products and services is to create close relationships with our customers to help to provide solutions to their next set of challenges. One example of our response to new market challenges includes our IFRS 17 solution, which not only covers off on statutory reporting requirements, but also has the ability to integrate directly into your GL. If your organization has challenges that you don't quite know how to solve or who to talk to about solving, we'd be happy to provide our insights based on our deep industry experience and work with you to find a solution that fits you and your organization. The one-on-one meetings we have are a perfect opportunity for you to present those problems to us. Using a well-structured and context-specific integrated data management platform, we see financial institutions are achieving substantial business value, which includes cost reductions in data integration and overall operating costs, increases in revenue, and using regulatory data sets to make more effective decisions. If I move across to the qualitative perspective of benefits, these include reduced probability of regulatory fines and overlays through better data management and governance processes, which in turn lead to executive management having more confidence in being able to make decisions on consistent data sets. Increase in employee engagement through having data and services readily available to do their job. The industry is so competitive, employee satisfaction is a significant driver to getting the best outcome from our people. I just want to give you a bit of a personal perspective on these benefits. So prior to Oracle, I headed up the risk technology business unit at one of the major Australian banks. I can tell you from experience that these benefit percentages that you're looking at, they might look significant, and they are. If you can make transformative and sustainable change to your group risk and finance business operations, the value will be felt across the entire organization. If you think about the critical activities that each and every one of you attending this event undertake for your business and how this both drives and controls the operations of your business, you'll see the exponential benefit that will result from improving your foundation of risk and finance services. So, on that note, I'd like to bring the focus back to the main event. At any time today, you can set up one-on-one meetings with our Oracle experts, and please don't restrict the meetings to just today. We're always happy to talk to you about how we can help solve the business and technology challenges that you may have. We have literature freely available on our website to provide additional background on the products and services we offer, including a number of case studies and blogs to highlight the value that customers have derived from our solutions. So the first panel session that we'll be starting on today will be optimizing balance sheets, striking a balance between regulation and profitability. And I hope you enjoy that session. In fact, I hope you enjoy all sessions that we presented today. So thank you for your time and looking forward to talking to you about how Oracle can help your business.